is I, Darth Vigorous, and today I will teach you how to make your voice sound just like Evil Emperor Zurg from Buzz Lightyear of Star Command.
This is my most diabolical scheme yet! Assuming that the freak show known as my staff can do one thing right!
Of course, my evil emperor. And who better to give you the good news than BrainPod 13?
What are you doing? Okay, hi, Mr. Evil Emperor. How are you? You look terrific. Very sinister today. We believe that just as the Unimind connected all the LGMs, it could hopefully allow you to reach out and ensnare every innocent mind in the Galactic Alliance, huh? You know, a mind slave, evil puppet kind of scenario.
You're telling me my plan. I already know my plan. I made up the plan. It's my plan. What I don't know is how close you are to accomplishing my plan!
Ooh, yeah, kind of an outdoor voice there. Okay, naturally, the first step is to turn the Unimind from good to evil, but, we don't have any idea how, see?
Want something turned evil. Turn it evil yourself. That's what Nana Zurg always used to say to me, and she was plenty evil. Nana Zurg would be so proud.
Okay, so today we will be learning how to make your voice sound just like Evil Emperor Zurg from Buzz Lightyear of Star Command. And this version of Zurg from the TV show, he was voiced by... what the heck was it? Oh yeah, Wayne Knight. And let's see, this version of Zurg, to make his voice, taking a first look at the website or about the character, which is a good place to start, make your own tutorials. Where the heck did it mention it? Oh yeah, here it says that his character may appear to be drawn from Darth Vader, a main villain in the Star Wars trilogy block with similar voice. So part of the tutorial, it will be similar to how to make Darth Vader's voice, but the pitch will be different. And I'll explain some more things later. So let's go back to Audacity. So to start, one of the first things you'll need to do is make your voice sound a bit high-pitched or deep like this. Not sure which type it is. And get a cup. So let me try one of the lines, I think. Once I destroy your precious Star Command and the... Oh, sorry, let me try again. Once I destroy your precious Star Command, the entire galaxy will be mine. Curse you, Buzz Lightyear! Okay, I think that was good. So, well, here, using a USB microphone, toner version, sometimes you can't always see the noise, background noise right away, so one of the things I do in this case, in case like this, I do Control-A, go to Effect, do Compressor first. This is to make your audio sound clearer. This is optional, but I do it always so it sounds better for any of my recordings. If you can't see noise reduction, the background noise, do Compressor first, go to Effect, Equalization, as you can see here, unnamed, starting at 9 decibels, go down to 0 here, click OK, go to Effect, Equalization, Bass Boost, okay. So you can see there's a little bit of a dot here. We can get a bit clearer. So go back to Equalization, now go to Treble Boost, click OK. Now you can see here, you can see these little waves here, that's the background noise. So now it's easy to see that. And this is a little tip of mine in case you're using a USB microphone and you don't see any background noise to get rid of. That doesn't mean there's not any there. So now, since we can see the background noise, we go to Effect, Now Noise Reduction, get Noise Profile, Control A, go back to Noise Reduction, then click OK. You can see now it's gone. Delete this bit, zoom back out, delete the bit of this in case. Now you zoom back in. Okay, now do Control A, Effect, Normalize. Now you can see my voice sounds a bit clearer, so let's see what it sounds like.
Once I destroy your precious star command, the entire galaxy will be mine. Curse you, Buzz Lightyear! Okay,
so now to begin the effect, it's kind of similar how to make Darth Vader's, but I've added a bit of extra steps, and here, they said for Wayne Knight's voice, they either raised or lowered the pitch. Here, I think I'll raise it by 6.
Once I destroy your precious star command, the entire galaxy...
Well, let's try 4, in case. Let's see.
Once I destroy your precious star command...
Yeah, I think for my voice, 4 will be better, but they said they may have raised his... For the TV show, they raised his pitch by 6. So I'll do 4. Now, to effect, go to Echo. So for time delay, have it at 0.005. And decay factor at 0.6. And since this is taking a bit of time, I'll show you another clip from Buzz Lightyear of Star Command of Emperor Zurg.
Soon my nefarious scheme will come to gloriously evil fruition. Team Lightyear has finally provided me with just the weapon I need. Their own DNA, the building blocks to create my all-new demons of destruction, the Clone Rangers! They'll destroy Team Lightyear, replace them, and destroy Star Command from the inside out! Now then, where's my update on Project Double Trouble? BrainPod 94!
The grubs in marketing are working on a new name. Double Trouble is perceived as too soft.
Well, it's better than kooky copy caper. Fine, whatever. What about the clone's new anti-cruiser rocket?
On time and under budget.
Oh, you're a real go-getter, 94. Are you sure you work here?
Plus, we've installed extra proton guns for indiscriminate destruction, bipolar crystallic engines for maximum velocity, and hover jets for, well, for hovering.
Fantastic! The clones will be the scourge of the galaxy! So, where are they?
Sorry, my evil emperor, but clones aren't built in a day.
39, 39, 39. 94's evil project is done early. Maybe he should take over the clone development. Wait! What are you doing? That's not enough distilled evil. You've got them set for 2. That's Bambi setting. Make it 200. No, 2,000.
2,000? A daring move, since of course you yourself contain only a whopping 13.
Oh, 13 you say. Well, make them 12s. Yes!
I am Blister!
Fira!
And I am Zub! Zub? You took the good guy's name and reversed it. That is so lame!
How can these kiddies hope to defeat Team Lightyear?
We're supposed to be them?
I think we're supposed to be the evil them.
Ugh, they're thieves!
1, 2, 3, 4? Hey! How come there are 4 of them and only 3 of us?
Yeah! Where's our robot?
You don't need a robot.
I want a robot!
I don't care what you...
I want a robot!
We want a robot! We want a robot! We want a robot!
You want a robot? Oh, well, fine. Take 2. I can build more. So, now what do we do?
You could just put the clones back in their incubation tubes until they're fully grown.
Prepare to be fired! Wait! That is a good idea.
Thank you.
These robots are total rejectoids.
Yeah, we want a robot like that one.
Sorry, no time for that now. We need to get you back into those comfy little tubes until you've matured.
Matured?
Into grown-ups.
No way.
I don't want to grow up.
Now, let's be good little bad clothes.
So,
Stop! Come back here, you little darling, sweet child.
This one's for Team Z.
Ah!
And the Z stands for Zub, not Zerg.
My distilled evilness! Curse you, Zub Lightyear!
curse you, Zub Lightyear!
Zub, that was yours, wasn't it?
And we're back. Now that Echo's done, we can go to Effect. Let me think. Go. All right. Control A. Now go to Edit, Duplicate. Now for the track down here, we go to Effect, go find the low pass filter. I can find that thing. Pass, there we go. Low pass filter. Have it at 12 decibels. Cutoff frequency at 6,000 for cutoff frequency. Click OK. Now let's go back. Let's see how it sounds. This is how it sounds when you do these basic effects. Now I will show you like 2 or 3 other steps. I also did experimenting with this just in case we could sound a bit better or if it doesn't sound quite how you wanted, but this is how it sounds when you do those basic steps.
Once I destroy your precious Star Command, the entire galaxy will be mine. Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!
Now, to me that sounds good, but if you want to make it sound a bit better or just mess with it a bit, this is what I do. I think you can do tracks, mix and render. Okay, let's put it together. So if you want to adjust it a bit, some of the things I did, let's see, first thing I did was, you know what, he did change pitch. Let me do that again. Okay, I went to bass and treble. Let's see what this sounds like.
Once I destroy your precious Star Command.
Add bass and treble with bass at -5.5 decibels, treble at -11.3 decibels, and level at -1 decibels. Then they said they also changed the speed of his voice. For me, I kept it at -5. Let's see. Or you can speed up or adjust the speeding. Then last thing I did I do phaser or reverb? I think I did leveler. Yeah, I did leveler with degree of leveling at light, noise threshold at -20 decibels. Now let's see how it sounds.
Once I destroy your precious Star Command, the entire galaxy will be mine. Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!
And that is how you make your voice sound like Wayne Knight's version of Evil Emperor Zurg from Buzz Lightyear of Star Command. Again, I'm Darth Vigorous. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and refer me to your friends. And also, if you haven't heard, I'm working on a Star Wars fan fiction called Darth Plagueis and the Passion of Shakti, and I'll eventually, like maybe next month or a couple months, I'll upload my tutorial on how to make Darth Plagueis' voice. And if you want to audition for any of the characters in my fan fiction, go to my Calling Voice Actors Darth Plagueis fan fiction video, or find the project in castingcalls.com. That's the website where if you're a voice actor you can audition, and I am paying people for this project if that gets your interest. So again, I'm Darth Vigorous. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and refer me to your friends, and enjoy the rest of your day.